Hi friends, welcome to the Nature Aquarium Gallery of Tirtha Aquatics located in Kochi, Kerala. Nature, definitely it's a very fascinating subject for everybody. As you know, we are all fascinated by the nature and its intricacies always mesmerizing us, and we want to see that how we can keep ourselves in close proximity with the nature. Unfortunately, something is happening around the world, the rapid urbanization and also the industrialization. What's happening? Sorry to say that we are moving away from the nature and we are living in some kind of artificial environment or some kind of concrete jungle. How we can make the nature or how we can bring the nature around us? We will have to do something. We will have to make ourselves feel that we are living in the midst of nature and enjoying the nature. Kerala is one of the beautiful states in India. It's considered as God's own country because of its vibrant greenery and beautiful landscapes. How long we can enjoy this kind of nature, we are not sure. So that in that context, what I am saying that the aquariums, it's not aquarium. We can say it's a living system. We are mimicking the nature in order to bring this nature closer to us, and we should want to stay within the nature or in the midst of the nature. Look at these aquariums, nature aquariums, or a part of the nature, maybe underwater life or a combination. Above water life as well as underwater life. It is something like that in a natural ecosystem. We want to bring a piece of nature to us in order to make us feel that we are in the midst of the nature or we are enjoying the nature or we are with the nature. Okay. However, this kind of hobby, we can generally say nature aquarium hobby, is not so popular in India, but it is well advanced in the West. Okay, our country is a developing country. I can tell you very clearly that it's a developing country and there are some constraints to bring this hobby to that level because of the inconsistent factors. What's happening in the West? Why this hobby is well developed in the West? We can say very well. There they have a lot of consistency in many factors. You see, as you see, nature aquarium means water is the major component of this aquarium. This water itself is a constraint for Indian population. Why? That we'll have to understand. We have different water sources throughout India, and the water sources cannot provide the same quality of water throughout India. That's the major constraint for promoting this hobby throughout India. So what I'm saying that if you want to promote this hobby, you should understand that you cannot separate it from the science. Generally, planted aquarium hobby is a major or is a merger between science and art. Now we have the correct know-how and we have the right expertise. Then we will have to think or we'll have to educate the mass how we can maintain this aquarium in India. So this education is very much needed to bridge the technology and the art in order to full-fledge this hobby. Anywhere in India, we can bring this hobby to you. At the same time, we will educate them in such a manner that how we can keep the aquarium in its full health or prime health. That way, everywhere, each and every individual can enjoy this hobby. In the coming series, what I'm going to do, the important factors in order to set up such a beautiful tank and also its maintenance, one by one, and each section I will take each topic to educate the mass in such a way that in order to make them confident, and definitely any individual can say that I can do this hobby in a very professional manner. This is my objective, and this particular gallery is not only a studio but a learning center. All are welcome to this gallery.